Vrsf Catless Downpipes. Enjoying the last cold start with the car. Alright guys, we are on our way to No Limit Auto Body in La Habra, right next to Brea. We're going to drop off the car, get the downpipes installed. Like I was saying, either going to be really excited or so-so about how the sound is going to be. I'm really liking the sound right now of the F80 and the exhaust that I have on it with the equal length and the catback muffler. I really like how that sounds. It's not too loud, it's practical, and it's daily. But you know, long run, I definitely do want to tune this car, and I'm going to get the crank hub done. I just wanted to get all the aesthetic things done first. You know, all the carbon interior and then wheels, and I finally got the wheels that I wanted. I'm sure that video will be out soon. They're just still on the way, but yeah, we're gonna go get this installed. Super excited. Like I said, we're gonna downpipe and tune it, and then once we do that, you know, we'll just keep it going. But yeah, all cosmetics are basically done on the car. Now more, you know, engine performance and stuff like that. Car was already fast enough when I first got it. I'm not really racing like that, so stay tuned and we'll go from there. Alright guys, they're gonna be taking out the downpipes. We're here at No Limit. They're gonna pull the car in. Just took a little video though before, because I always like to make sure that take a before and after video, so show that there's no scratching or anything like that on my car, because I know they'll be working over it just to cover my ass if anything does happen. But yeah, we're gonna drop off the car, and yeah, they're gonna install the downpipes. The car's gonna sound completely different after this. I'm excited, and we'll see how it sounds when we pick it up. We are back here with the car. The downpipes are in. He's gonna come out here and show me right now how it looks or how it sounds. We got the old downpipes in here. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, that thing is loud. Let's go. Holy shit. Big shout out to the guys here at No Limit. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man. For sure. You guys are awesome. No Limit. Hit them up. With the valves closed, still sounds super, super quiet. Perfect. Mind revving it for me a little bit? Thank you, bro. Let's go. So that's closed, and then can you open them? Thank you. Wow. Sounds so good. Just when I'm tapping on the gas pedal a little bit, you can hear the difference. I'm gonna go on a little drive. Maybe my girlfriend can film me a little bit, just driving and stuff like that. But wow, I am super, super happy with the outcome. Again, shout out to those guys at No Limit. They got me in super professional, super clean. Car looks good. They did a really, really good job. No scratches, no nothing like that. Customer service was great. Got me in the next day, and you know, I did bring the car a little bit late because of traffic, and they're still able to get me in. Yeah, man, really, really appreciate the guys at No Limit. I'll drop their Instagram down in the description. Make sure to give them the follow, and yeah, you can just hear the difference when you tap on the gas a little bit. Like, look at, watch. God, it sounds crazy right now. I want to hear how the burble sound. Oh my God. What the? Oh my God, it is so much louder. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Oh my God. It just sounds more clear, like it's like the gas is just going straight through. Like, oh my God, I'm so hyped. My hands are like clammy. I'm so, I don't even know what to say. I just keep saying I don't even know what I am. Oh my God. All right, here we go. You can hear it. Oh my God, just a little. It sounds crazy. camera, but did you hear that? Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing sounds insane. It's too loud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, I know my voice probably sounds so cringy. Listen. It just sounds so much more like clear. And it feels faster. Wow. So we installed the downpipes yesterday. We're gonna do the first cold start. See how it sounds. Here we go.